Boost the human growth hormone, HGH, naturally. HGH helps you recover from injury and disease by increasing muscular development, strength, and workout performance. Growth, body composition, cell repair, and metabolism are all influenced by it. Low HGH levels can lower your quality of life, raise your disease risk, and cause you to gain weight. Here are 7 natural strategies to boost HGH levels that have been proven to work. 1. Lose body fat. Your HGH production is directly proportional to the quantity of belly fat you have. Those with more abdominal fat are more likely to have poor HGH synthesis and a higher risk of disease. The most hazardous sort of stored fat is belly fat, which has been related to a variety of ailments. HGH levels and other elements of your health will benefit from losing abdominal fat. Get rid of extra body fat, especially around your belly, to boost your HGH levels and enhance your health. 2. Intermittent fasting. Fasting causes a significant boost in HGH levels, according to studies. HGH levels jump by over 300% 3 days after a fast, according to one study. They had grown by a staggering 1,250% after a week of fasting. Continuous fasting, on the other hand, is not long-term maintainable. Intermittent fasting is an increasingly prevalent dietary strategy that restricts eating to short periods of time. Intermittent fasting can be done in a number of ways. A daily 8-hour eating window followed by a 16-hour fast is one popular strategy. Another option is to limit yourself to 500 to 600 calories 2 days a week. To begin with, it can aid in weight loss, which has a direct impact on HGH production. Second, because insulin is released when you eat, it will keep your blood sugar levels low for most of the day. Insulin spikes, according to research, can interfere with the generation of natural growth hormone. 3. Reduce your sugar consumption. Refined carbs and sugar are the foods that cause the largest insulin spikes, so cutting less on them may help you achieve optimal growth hormone levels. Healthy adults had 3 to 4 times greater HGH levels, as well as reduced glucose tolerance and insulin function, according to one study. However, a sugary treat now and then will have no long-term effect on your HGH levels. Aim for a well-balanced diet because what you eat has a significant impact on your health, hormones, and body composition. 4. Take a GABA supplement. Supplementing with GABA may assist boost HGH production. GABA is a non-protein amino acid that acts as a neurotransmitter, transmitting messages throughout the brain. It's frequently used to help people sleep because it's a well-known relaxing agent for the brain and central nervous system. According to one study, taking a GABA supplement increased HGH by 400% at rest and 200% after activity. Because your nightly growth hormone release is linked to sleep quality and depth, GABA may help you get more HGH by improving your sleep, which brings us directly to point number 5. 5. Improve your sleep. Aim for 7 to 10 hours of quality sleep per night by focusing on sleep quality. When you sleep, you release the majority of your growth hormone in pulses. Poor sleep has been demonstrated to lower the quantity of HGH produced by the body in studies. In fact, getting enough deep sleep is one of the most effective ways to boost your HGH production in the long run. Here are a few easy ways to improve your sleeping habits. Before going to bed, avoid exposure to blue light. Read a book in the evening. Make sure the temperature in your bedroom is comfortable. Don't consume caffeine after 6 p.m. 6. High-intensity exercise, HIIT. Exercise has the potential to improve hormone function and reduce body fat, both of which are beneficial to HGH levels in the long run. The amount of weight you gain is determined by the type of exercise you do, its intensity, the foods you eat before and after the workout, and your body's individual characteristics. The most effective form of exercise for increasing HGH is high-intensity exercise, but any sort of exercise is useful. To boost your HGH levels and enhance fat loss, conduct repeated sprints, interval training, weight training, or circuit training. 7. Try these natural supplements. Glutamine. A 2-gram dose may temporarily increase levels up to 78%. Creatine. A 20-gram dose of creatine significantly increased HGH levels for 2 to 6 hours. Ornithine. One study gave participants ornithine 30 minutes after exercise and found a greater peak in HGH levels. Arginine. Studies have observed that taking arginine on its own, without any exercise, significantly increases levels of this hormone. Glycine. Studies have found glycine can improve gym performance and provide short-term spikes in HGH. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.